Hello, in this video we are going to look at the entry widget. So the entry widget is something that allows us to, basically enter text. So what we're going to do is just put entr for entry equals entry window. So this is where we're drawing it to. Comma bd equals 3. So this is like the background depth. I'll cover that in the second once I run it. It'll be easier just to show you once I modify the values. So dot pack, and then you can put a side as well. So for the side I'll put right. And now if we run it, there you go, we have our text input. So if you notice, let me just run it again. So I'll select it. Notice there's sort of like an indentation around. It's like it's going inwards. That's what the BD is. The higher the BD value, the more it looks like it's going in. So let's say we put a value of 1 and we show that. As you can see, it just looks more like a normal text box. If we put a value of 10, that's gone in quite a bit. So you probably wouldn't want it like that. So like 3, 5, 6, around about that range is pretty decent. But again, it depends on what exactly you want. So obviously this doesn't have a label next to it telling the user what information meant to put in there, like password, username, email address, something like that. We're going to cover label in a separate video as an extra task. Once you've done that as well, combine them together. Have the label next to it, have the entry, and you'll be a lot more contextual and you'll know what you need to put in there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.